Resume plays a crucial role for any one of us who is going to apply for any kind of opportunity in this entire world. And there is a system called as ATS system, applicant tracking system, which is going to analyze, which is going to parse your entire resume. And based on that, it is going to make a decision that whether your resume will go for a next step or it will not go for a next step. So welcome to Euron, everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Kumar, and today I'm going to talk about ATS system, and I'm going to show you a demo of an ATS system. So where you will be able to create a resume from a very scratch. You will be able to take any of your resume, existing one, whether it's a bad, whether it's a good, and it is going to do analysis. It is going to reformat the entire resume, which will be aligned towards a ATS system, applicant tracking system. Or you can try to even upload your existing resume. You can try to give a job description, and even according to a job description, this applicant tracking system or this resume analyzer is going to build your entire resume or rebuild your entire resume, which will be able to pass a applicant tracking system. So let me share my screen, and once you will come to Euron, you will be able to find out something called as Resume AI. Now, once you are going to click on this Resume AI, you will come over here. Now here, so you will be able to find out an option called as Revamp Your Resume. If you have an existing resume, maybe good, maybe bad, that's completely fine. And here, so we have an option called as Create a New Resume. So from here, you will be able to get a form kind of a structure where you can fill all those data, and it is going to build your beautiful resume. So what I will do is that I'm going to take this resume, and as you can see, this resume is not at all in a proper format, right? It's a it's a very bad resume that I'm going to consider. And in 3 pages, there are a lot of like a data which has been mentioned over here, right? So this is a bad resume. I'm going to take this bad resume, and then I'm going to convert this one into a ATS-friendly resume with the help of this Resume AI by Euron. So here I'm going to just upload my resume, and you will be able to see an option. So you will be able to see 3 different kind of a template over here. So you can try to choose maybe a template number 1, maybe template number 2, or maybe a template number 3, whatever suits you, right? Whatever suits you. And let's try to select one of these templates. So I have selected the middle one, and here, so I'm going to upload my PDF, the bad resume, right? So this is my bad resume. So I'm going to upload my this bad resume, and I'm going to maybe like put a GitHub over here. So maybe I can try to put just github.com for now. And maybe I can try to put a LinkedIn URL and then click on next. Now here you will be able to get an option, so where you can try to mention a company name in which you are planning, you are targeting, you are planning to apply. And then here, so I'm going to mention a job description. So whatever job description for which you are going to apply. If you're just trying to revamp your resume, it's completely fine. You can try to skip this particular step. So for now, I'm going to skip this particular step, and then this system will start working for you. This system is going to take approximately 2 minutes of time to analyze your resume, and then approximately 2 minutes of time to enhance your resume. And not just that, so it is going to even give you your cover letter. So just in a couple of seconds, as you can see, so my previous score was 68%, and a new score is 88% as per the ATS and whatever resume that I have uploaded. So this was my previous score, and this is my new score, and it is going to make a lot of enhancement inside this particular resume, right? So all this improvement which the system is going to make, so it has listed down. And if you'll come over here, so it is trying to work on your resume. So it is trying to do an analysis. And if you will come over here, so our AI analyzer, analyzed 30 plus data points to create your optimized resume and a detailed analysis. So a very simple system, so where you don't have to do anything much. So you can just go dump your resume, wait for 2 minutes, and then eventually it will be able to create a polished resume, as well as it is going to give you your cover letter. So let's just wait for like a 2 minutes of time. Maybe sometime it is going to take less than 2 minutes, but yes, 2 minutes for analysis and 2 minutes for a resume enhancement. That's a time maybe in between. So you can even try to close this entire thing. So you can try to go and browse something different. You can try to browse even a Yuri, which is a AI system that we have. So where you will be able to get like a all kind of a model, whether it's a GPT, Llama, Mistral, Quen, DeepSeek, Gemini, everything you will be able to do. You will be able to generate images. You can try to run the code inside it. You can try to even do a web search, a real-time search. All these things you can try to explore, or maybe some other offerings from this Euron you all will be able to get. Even as a free user, you will be able to do the analysis of one resume as a paid user. So there is no limit at all, right? So if you have a Euron Plus, in that case, you don't have to do it at all. So just wait for 2 minutes and then we are going to check whether it is going to optimize my resume or not, and how my resume looks like after like, revamping the entire resume. Okay, so I believe my system has completed its works and I'm able to get my enhanced resume, the template which I have selected, as well as I'm able to see my cover letter over here. So now let's go over here, click on view resume, and yes, it is able to create a proper resume for me if I'm going to click on GitHub. So whatever GitHub link which I have given, I had just given like a github.com, so I'm able to see that. And whatever LinkedIn which I have given and rest of the things, it is trying to pick from the resume itself, whatever the skills which I have mentioned. So yes, in a beautiful, beautiful manner. So just imagine from this particular resume, this was my original one, right? A bad one, by the way. And from this bad one, it is able to create this beautiful resume without any kind of a hassle. There is no watermark at all. You can download it. You can use it on any platform that you want. Like I said, so you can even try to create a resume from a very scratch. So you just have to click over here. You can try to select a template, and then one by one, you can start filling up all the information, and it will be able to give you a resume in a beautiful, beautiful format as per the template that you are going to select. So hope all of you are going to use it. All of you are going to test it and try it. I'm going to attach a link in the description. So please go and check out and try to build your resume, which is going to be ATS friendly. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.